Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we need to play around with some boost reference lines. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so we need to put a boost line from the TD05 to the GT35's wastegate. So we're going to tee into this one somehow. So it goes around, back down to there. Comes up this one here. Yeah. So that goes to the boost gauge inside, so we can tee into that if we want and make it a bit easier. And from there we're going to go to the boost solenoid and to the bottom of the wastegate. So we're going to have better control over boost. Alright, so this line here is the one that goes to the bottom of the wastegate. Down here. The other side goes to boost solenoid. This goes off to here. But behind there's a T that goes down to the boost gauge. So pretty much the only thing that reference will be used for is boost gauge now. So from this T we need to get it into this line here, but we need to put a T in that as well. Alright, so I just disconnected it from this one. You can see it's just open now. So that currently now is just boost gauge. Alright, so this is wastegate. This is a boost reference, which is going to come from this line here. Got a Y, so we can get that in there now. Is that cool? We can tidy this all up later, but I think that's the easiest way to do it. Alright, so that is all connected up. It's looking pretty messy up here. So yeah, the gate's going to come open earlier and we're going to have a lot better control, because once it hits 14 psi overall from here, potential to open up that gate to slow everything down. So yeah, we'll see how we go. There is a big difference between boost here and map, so we're going to work that out. If you saw from a couple of episodes ago when I went for a drive with the two gauges going up, there was about 5 psi difference. Alright, that's blocked off, and no, I don't think I've got enough line just to put that up to here. So alright guys, so it's pretty much ready to go out and test. Now the missus is going to work soon, so might have to do this later tonight, and we'll go from there. So I've got daddy daycare today. Marley's got a birthday party to go to, so we're going to be out for a little bit today. But yeah, this is all good. We'll start looking at rotating this more and bringing it forward. So we're going to be remaking that exhaust up to the GT35. Have that in a better location, bring it forward, rotated. So we will probably just have to make a new coolant line and obviously new exhaust. We want to get rid of this, either put it down further or delete it completely, because I've got the Haltech further down and we're going to have to remake this section, or both sections really, from probably the gearbox mount up, so it's more centered. Yeah, sort of a lot of wiring to do. So I was just thinking, if the wastegate opens up earlier, and it actually opens up, I don't have a screamer pipe on there, it's just going to dump into here. I'm not going to make one until I change this configuration around a bit. There's no point really. Yeah, so maybe screw it, I'll take it out now. We'll go see if there's enough time and we'll come back. Alright, so we've got enough time to get it out and go for a couple of little test rips. So I'll warm it up, I'll move the missus car out of the driveway and we'll get going. Who knew? I left the computer on in the car, so it's got flat. Let it charge for a little bit, warm it up. I know it warms up good, just more for logging. So yeah, we'll move everything out and we'll get going. Alright, not liking the look of this. Smoking, steaming. Can't see any drips or anything. Alright, so I've got 15% battery on the computer, so let's go for a quick little drive, come back. Alright, so there is a little bit of a coolant leak, but I need to test this out, the wastegate, so it should be okay. Away from my pants! Good. Let's get that load. Wastegate opening. Good. Going back because of the coolant leak. Yeah. It's good. I like it. Alright, let's check how bad this coolant is. Can you hear bubbling? Coolant up here. One of my ears is blocked, if you can't tell. I'm not well. What the hell? Alright, so with this fitting, I'm going to go to AN fittings. And I'll probably either get like a 90, like a T-piece 90, or like a angled one. It's ridiculous. Actually, maybe I didn't have my heater on when I was bleeding it. I don't think I did. Rookie. Anyway, it drove nice. You heard the wastegate. We'll work this out. Alright, starting to hear it come from here. I think I need another cap. Right, maybe what I can try to do when I reconfigure this turbo is bring this tank up a bit higher. So, yeah, see if we can do that. Alright guys, just having a quick look at the logs. So running 0 duty cycle, got to 15.5 psi at 4400 RPM. So not too bad. But not tuning boost yet, so I'm happy with that. I think it might be time that we start to pull it apart again and work on this configuration, get this coolant line sorted as well. I guess back from the party. It was actually a roller skating party, which I hadn't been to for a long time, probably since the 90s. Whew, just had a coughing fit. Anywho, I was thinking about this while we were out, and I'm pretty sure I got all the fittings to do that. Let's go collect them all. Alright, so this is kind of part of the oiling breather system, but there's a Y, so they can go in there like so. I've got 90 degree straights, and what's that, 45? So I can go into there. I'll show you what will come off there. So we've got a double female. Oh yeah, double female. And plug. There we go. That might not work. Damn it. Anyway, I'll find something that'll work. But that's going to be it for this episode. So if you enjoyed this episode, give it a thumbs up. Keep watching the content up here if you have enjoyed it. And I'll catch you next episode. Bye.